Introducing DIY Tax, a simple tax solution to help sole traders and self-employed comply with making tax digital. In this video, we will explore how DIY Tax helps you to manage your tax submissions. DIY Tax is designed for people who are self-employed. It works for UK business owners and helps you to manage your tax submissions. It can also help you manage your income and expenses, giving you control over your cash and helping you to speed up your cash flow. Customers should select the income types that they wish to record. You should select self-employment income, but can also select other types of business income all within the same app. Next, we'll help you to select which method you would prefer to use to maintain your digital records. We know that as someone who is self-employed, your time is precious. You will want to keep on top of your admin on the go as and when it suits you. With DIY Tax, you will be able to access DIY Tax from your computer, tablet, or phone. It is important to emphasize, for security reasons, we do not store customer information on your devices. This means that your information is always safe, even if you lose your computer or phone. Here are some top tips for using DIY Tax for people who are self-employed. First, as someone who is self-employed, you are likely to have a separate bank account for your business transactions. With DIY Tax, you can connect to your bank account and create digital records based on the content of the bank account. It is a really efficient way of updating your business records. Second, if your business doesn't have too many transactions, then we recommend that you key in data direct to the app as transactions happen. It will keep a full digital record and saves you keeping a separate spreadsheet or connecting to your bank account. Third, when entering income or expenses directly into the app, you can select one-off or recurring entries. For example, if you have a regular monthly expense such as a trade body membership, then the monthly amount just needs to be loaded once, and it will be duplicated in future months until you change it. If you have a regular business expense, for example, a monthly insurance bill, then you just load the amount once and it will be duplicated. The fourth tip is to use the Take a Photo service to store a copy of the receipts for all of your business expenses. You can also use it to keep a copy of the invoices you issue to your customers to track your income. It means you have a full digital record which you can access at any time. Each quarter, the DIY Tax app will automatically summarize your business income and expenses for your quarterly submissions. You don't submit all individual transactions to HMRC, just a high-level summary. Even if you have a number of sole trader businesses, all that HMRC will receive is the total income and expense information. However, HMRC expect the software you use to maintain individual business transaction data in case they need to check anything in the future. At the end of the year, you can combine your self-employed records with your other income and expenses, so you can do one combined year-end tax return. You can submit your year-end declaration, which you may know as a self-assessment, to HMRC with confidence. In the app, you will get support for questions you may have. That includes questions on making tax digital, on how to use the DIY Tax app, and on tax allowances and reliefs for people who are self-employed. For example, you can claim costs incurred for running your business, such as office costs, travel, marketing, and, of course, you can claim the cost of accounting and accounting software packages, like DIY Tax. We hope you found this helpful. We try to keep the videos short and informative. Our objective is to provide our customers with good technology, good advice, and good support. Thank you for watching.